Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, hauls, reviews, you name it. So if this is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay join the family. And I'd like to say thank you so much for my returning supporters. I love you guys, appreciate you guys a bunch. So today's video, get excited. You guys know when it comes to try new things, here it's your right place. So I got this box here, this Talisa, a jewelry subscription box, which is amazing. So you can get shipped right to your doorstep, 3+ jewelry pieces each month, and you get to try them for 7 days and pick your favorite ones and send back what you don't want to keep. As I am digging into this box and show you guys what I got, I tell you guys a little bit more about the company, alright, and the brand. They are amazing. What we got here, the box come cute, come with these nice little cards here, coming like with the return label. So they have like a little quiz for each one of us that they do, so they know which pieces pick to send it to you each month, which is great, you know. I think personalized. Ooh, so let me show you guys what I got on my box. So that's how the jewelry come. You come a little picture of the jewelry and talk about them a little bit. So you have this little card here that you choose what you're gonna keep it and what you're going to return it. So this is really cool, you know. I love that they give you the freedom of keep what you want and send back what you're not. So, you know, if you get something that you're not vibing with, you don't have to keep it, you just send it back. So let's start with a smaller box, because I always know that good things come in a smaller box. What we got here, are you excited? Are you excited? As much as I am. Alright, so for its packaging is super cute. I come with this cute little box, and this one is a pair of earrings. So I come in a little like this bag if you wanna put away, but you also have the jewelry box here where you can pierce the earrings in it. Oh, this is so cute, and this is gold plated. This one is the triple swirl hoop earrings. So this is what they look like. Trying to get my camera to focus as close as I can. That's what it looks like. That's what it look like. I like, you know, when I was younger, I used to use a lot of heavy earrings, and let me tell you, now if you do that, stop it, because they actually started stretching out your ears. Now I am a huge fan of smaller pieces. Oh, look how cute these look. They're very pretty. Very small, very delicate, just the way I love it. So now this is the kind of vibe of jewelry that I go for. But they're gorgeous, very pretty. Now the next one that we're going to try, it's going to be this cute little necklace here. This is like the Zodiac necklace. Let me get closer so you guys can see. So I have a little, my zodiac sign is Cancer, so you have the little Cancer symbol here, and you have a little like a diamond on the side here. Very cute. And this is called Helena diamond zodiac necklace. There's also his 14 carats. Okay, so let me put this on and I'll be right back, because I struggle to put small things on because of these nails. By the way, I can't wait to go change these. I'm just waiting for be a little closer to Valentine's Day. So by Valentine's Day, my nails look pretty. So give me 1 second, I'll be right back. Very pretty. Alright guys, so I finally got the necklace on it, and for close stuff with these nails, it's so difficult, oh my god. But that's what he look like on it. Very nice, very pretty, very delicate, just like the way I like it. Alright, so we have the necklace, the earrings, so now let's go to our next piece. Last but not least. So the next piece here, is a gorgeous, like a bracelet. Let me see. This is the Katherine Herringbone bracelet. This is 18 karat gold Vermeil. Here's what the bracelet look like. It is stunning. Gorgeous. So let's take it out of the box. I was able to close. So normally I definitely would put this a little bit more tighter on my wrist. That's what the bracelet look like. And they look absolutely stunning. Very pretty. So what you guys think about Talisa's jewelry? I love it. So let me tell you guys a little bit about pricing for this jewelry. So the cost and value for the jewelry is, each item range from $49.95 to $149.95, and you only get billed for what you decide to keep. And there is a fee, a styling fee of $20 per box, covering preparation, shipping. So for your picks. Alright, so the styling fee, the $20 styling fee, it's billed towards a piece that you piece. You know, if you choose something to keep, that $20, it goes into that bill. I really love about the concept of this jewelry box is the personal styling, you know, quiz based on each customers. Like they have the Zodiac, they have like some birdstone and different stuff. That's really unique because, you know, you're gonna get something that actually resonate with you. So I really love that idea. And also one thing that I have to highlight to you guys is how easy they make the returning process. It's free to return, so if you're not pleased with any of the pieces that you got, you have your return little sticker right here. You just put the stuff that you're not gonna keep in the box and peel it off and just stick on the box and send it back. Very nice to, you know, make it easy for customers. But, you know, I have to tell you guys, quality of all the pieces, it's really, really beautiful, really nice. I definitely would see myself being a customer of this box. So you guys let me know which one of them was your favorite, and I'm going to link the link for Talisa down in the description of this video. If you guys have any question about the jewelry or the company, drop in the comments below. I try to answer the best I can, and if I don't have the answer, I'd be more than happy to contact them and ask them your question. I'm very happy with the pieces that I picked. Hope you guys enjoy this little box review, try on of this gorgeous jewelry subscription box from Talisa. And I'm going to link them down below. So thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. I see you guys in the next video. Bye!